So we have Billy. He has a dilemma. He's lost some weight, about 30 pounds.
Okay.
And his kilt rides lower since he doesn't have that huge belly anymore, and it sits on his knees now. Is there any way to shorten the kilt? And he is from our friends at the Brian Brew Pipe Band.
Okay. Oh, hey, Billy. Okay, cool.
It shouldn't sit lower because you've lost weight. It may sit lower because it's looser.
Yeah, I think that's probably what he's implying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You would just have to cinch it down more and tighten it up. If you're already on the last hole in the strap, then you just have the buckles moved on the right-hand side. Yeah, if
30 pounds could be a lot. 30 pounds could be a significant difference.
Yeah, that's fair.
You might be able to get away with a buckle move to tighten it up so it rides where you want it to ride on your torso, but you may instead be looking at wanting to get a new kilt. Now, the question then in your situation is this one of the band kilts or is this a personal kilt? If it's a band kilt, then you want to talk about to them if there's a way you can get a different kilt and hand down yours to another member of the band. If it's your personal kilt, then, come on, since you're local, come in and see us and we can take a look at it with you.
Yeah.
But I would say that it's not so much making the kilt shorter, it's making sure that it fits, properly in the waist and it's tight enough because your height hasn't changed. The ratio and the measurement from your belly button down to your kneecaps hasn't changed. It's just that it's trying to slip off. So you want to tighten it up or possibly get a new kilt.
Yeah, he is saying it is a band kilt.
It is a band kilt?
Yeah.
Okay. Then it may be that you can pass it on to somebody who is a better fit for.
Yeah. Or if you're just on the last hole in the strap and it's still just a little bit too loose, then we can move the buckles.
Yeah.
So, yeah, either one.